Fall is a time when your gardening thoughts turn to spring. It's time to plant bulbs. Besides tulips and daffodils, you can have crocus, snowdrop, scilla, and hyacinth, among others. Few plants offer such great rewards for so little work. They burst with color in the spring, often when little else is blooming, and they last for years with little or no care needed. They're one of the most rewarding things you can possibly grow, as long as you follow a few simple steps. Plant at the right time. Plant when soil temperature is below 60. Plant in the right place. Avoid wet soil, which will cause the bulbs to rot. And take steps to fend off the critters who love to feast on freshly planted bulbs. Plant bulbs that are not deer magnets, such as alliums, daffodil, and hyacinth. Placing these around some of the forager favorites, such as tulips, may deter animals. Place your bulbs in underground bulb cages. The openings allow the roots and shoots to grow through while blocking rodents. A bulb scent appeals to many animals. You can disguise the aroma by dipping your bulbs to cover them with Bovex small animal repellent concentrate. Here's a short lesson on how to dip your bulbs. You'll need a container for soaking, bulbs, and Bovex R animal repellent concentrate. First, take the skins off the bulbs. That allows the Bovex to better adhere to the bulb. Shake, then pour the Bovex in the bowl. Soak for 2 to 5 minutes. Then place the bulbs in the hole that you've dug and fill it with dirt. New, loose dirt may alert animals that something tasty has been planted there. For added protection, you can pour a little Bovex over the top. The best spring begins in the fall. Spring flowering bulbs bring indescribable beauty to the garden. These marvels of nature grow quietly in winter to burst in spring with a sensory feast of colors and fragrances. So be sure to add bulbs to your fall soil before the freeze. A few simple measures to protect bulbs will ensure they grow well through winter to bring you the most amazing spring. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.